nice. Hey. But the right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. Any progress is good progress. There he is. The green light up there too. Here we go. Over the platform. Shit. Come on, Harvey. Come on, Harvey. Come on. Dingo brought the stick and the bobber. Yay! Bah! Bah! Sheep? You like them sheep? Yay! Dog. The dogs do. No die. Home of Susie the duck. Thank you, Colleen from Lodi. Appreciate you. Oh yeah, that's perfect size too. Yeah. Name? Jacob. What's your name? Jacob. I'm Todd. Todd. Nice to meet you, man. Oh my God, I'm blown away. I'm so blown away right now. I'm speechless. Because a lot of times I don't feel appreciated. I don't make a lot of money doing this. Thank you, Todd. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Son of Man. Look at this. Great. Oh.